How to fix messenger call failed on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. If you're struggling with making or receiving calls on your messenger app, then you're in the right place. We're here to help you troubleshoot and fix it. First things first, let's check your internet connection. A weak or unstable network can often be the culprit behind failures. First things first, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen and then toggle off your Wi Fi and then toggle it on again. See if that resolves the issue. Now go to your settings and then go to General and scroll down and tap on Background App Refresh. So tap on Background App Refresh and make sure that it is not turned off. Make sure it is either set to Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and cellular data. This feature allows apps to refresh their content in the background, which can help with the call functionality. But if you are using your phone on low power mode, then background app refresh won't work. So keep that in mind. And if the problem persists, then what you can do is you can go to your iPhone storage and then search for Messenger. Go ahead and tap on it and then tap on Offload app. So offloading Messenger will delete the app but keep its documents and data. So you can go to the App Store and install it again, and this will make sure that your messenger app gets updated. So being updated is crucial for optimal performance. However, if this also doesn't work, then sometimes a simple restart can do wonders. So force restart a device by tapping on the volume up button and power button on the same time. So once you restart a device, it will clear any temporary glitches that might be affecting the messenger app. So I hope one of this solution helps you out. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.